Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Install holders. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the scrubber to the machine. Connect the big laser applicators to the machine. Connect the small laser applicators to the machine. Connect the photon and microcurrent handpiece to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Put all the handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press the power switch to get the machine started, and then you can see the function selection interface. Choose proper function based on your needs. Choose Cavi function. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. Suitable for those who have sick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take this treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. Normal mode for RF function is recommended. Suction time range is 0 to 2. 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 2. 0 to 0.8 is recommended. Suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at the status of constant suction. RF mode selection, NOR. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment. Otherwise, there will be blockage. There is a knob for adjusting suction level on the machine. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction. Turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Choose body RF function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment. Otherwise, there will be blockage. Mode selection is the same as the vacuum and RF function. Choose phase RF function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Mode selection is the same as the vacuum and RF function. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment. Otherwise, there will be blockage. Choose bio function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Mode selection. Mode 1. Constant working mode. Suitable for those with dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode 2. Discontinuous working mode, suitable for first-time users. Choose hot and cold function. Set parameters. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. 5 minutes is recommended. Cold working mode is recommended. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Mode selection. Cold mode can be used to soothe and calm skin, relieve acne, and repair skin. Hot mode can be used to expand pore size temporarily and help promote skin absorption. Choose ultrasound function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Mode selection. Mode 1. Constant working mode. Suitable for those with dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode 2. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for first-time users. Choose the scrubber function. Set parameters. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. 5 minutes is recommended. Constant vibration mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. suitable for those with large pores, blocked pores, excess sebum, and oily skin. Discontinuous working mode, suitable for those with dry skin and sensitive skin or first-time users. Choose photon and microcurrent function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Red light for photon therapy is recommended. Please note, adjust the NS level based on individual sensations. Mode selection. Mode 1, low frequency electric pulse. Mode 2, high frequency electric pulse. Adjust the NS level based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric current are not recommended to use this handpiece. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave, light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on, change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off, turn off the light. Something about the photon therapy. Red light can help with skin firming and anti-aging. Blue light can help kill bacteria and remove acne. Green light can help calm and repair skin. Yellow light can help fade spots and brighten skin. Purple light can help remove acne scars. White light can help regulate graze secretion. Turquoise light can help promote metabolism. Choose Lable laser function. Set parameters. 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1, constant working mode, suitable for those with thick fat accumulation. Mode 2, discontinuous working mode with low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to consolidate results. Mode 3, discontinuous working mode with high frequency flash, suitable for those who is slightly fat and want to lose weight. Mode 2 is recommended for first-time users. Wrap the strap with proper length around the target area. Fix the laser applicators into the strap. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.